Hey, welcome back to Frank's Favorite Foods, where I'm always cooking up a good time. This is the channel where I teach you how to make restaurant quality food at home. This is pumpkin cheesecake. It's a special holiday dessert that you'll end up eating all year long. Definitely the most popular dessert at each of my restaurants. Sherri's here to show you how to make it right now. And don't forget to subscribe. Start with graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter. Combine those ingredients with a fork. This is a 9-inch springform cheesecake pan. Spread the graham cracker crust mixture across the bottom and then pat it down evenly. In your mixer, combine cream cheese, brown sugar, and white sugar. Mix those ingredients thoroughly, making sure that the consistency is smooth and creamy. Next, we're going to add our eggs one at a time. Allow each egg to be incorporated thoroughly before adding the next. Combine plain canned pumpkin, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ground cloves in the smallest bowl she could find, and then added that to the rest of the cream cheesecake base. Add heavy cream and combine. Combine those ingredients until smooth, but consult the description for specific mixing instructions. Because we're using a water bath, we're going to double layer our springform cheesecake pan with aluminum foil. This will prevent water from the water bath from leaking into the cheesecake. Preheat the oven to 325. Place the cheesecake on a cookie sheet with at least a 1-inch depth. Add enough water so that the pan is 2/3 full. To begin making the topping, find another small bowl so that you can overcrowd the ingredients just like my wife does. The topping is made from butter, walnuts, and brown sugar. Make sure that all of those ingredients are thoroughly combined. Looky here, had to go to a big bowl after all. Atta girl, honey. Spread the topping evenly on the cheesecake and then return the cheesecake to the oven for another 15 minutes to bake. The final step is making homemade whipped cream. All you need is whipping cream and confectioner sugar with just a little bit of vanilla. Using a small bowl will hasten the process, as will an electric mixer. Simply whip until stiff peaks are formed. Decorate the cheesecake any way you'd like. Sherri's using a pastry bag with a designer tip. And that is the dish. You are gonna love it. I shared this dessert with my new friends, Ian and Tori, who've become good friends during a time when I needed some good friends. If you're not a subscriber, you should be. Hit the subscription button and the notifications bell. That way you'll never miss an episode. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Please share this video with a friend or two. It really helps to grow my channel. I'll see you next time.